Hi, welcome to TELW. This is Manu once again with a new video. This time I'm going to talk about a particular kind of tense, I like to call it tense, called the conditional tense. See, what happens is there are times when we talk about events that are dependent on other events. For instance, I'll say that whether I play cricket, for example, depends on the rain. So I might say, if it rains, I won't play cricket. The form is, in this case, dependent on the type of conditional. Okay, there are 4 conditionals, 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, one kind of conditional statement is real. It's definite. If you fulfill the condition, the result is definite. For instance, if you touch a live wire, you get a shock. It doesn't depend on the timeline. It's true for the past, it's true for the present, and it's also true for the future. See, this is called the zero condition. So, what's the form of this? Note what I said. If you touch a live wire, touch is present simple. You get a shock. Again, present simple. So the form is if present simple, present simple. Now you can also reverse it and say you get a shock. Sorry, not you will. You get a shock if you touch a live wire. You can also say you get a shock when you touch a live wire. Similarly, transpose it, you can say, when you touch a live wire, you get a shock. We look at the difference between if and when, soon. Now, what are the uses? When do you normally use this kind of tense? The conditional, zero conditional. You use it normally to state the scientific truth. For instance, if you place an ice cube under the sun, it melts. Always. You can't say, all right, now, if you follow this condition, it won't melt. If it's under the sun, it will melt. If you smoke, you get cancer. You can't escape it. It happens always. These are scientific truths. The other kind of statement is when you talk about things that are, like rules. They have to happen. Because there's a rule. You break the rule, you pay for it. For instance, if you come late, you lose your pay. A third place where you can use it is to give instructions. Say, if he calls, tell him to meet me. If he pays, give him a receipt. So these are conditional. You ask him to meet me only if he calls. Otherwise you don't. If he calls, always ask him to meet me. Now, it can be always, or it can also be now. Right now. Now, let's look at a particular point. The difference between if and when. You use if the chances are very low. So if I say, if he calls, ask him to meet me, I'm not sure he's going to call. On the very rare chance that he's going to call, ask him to call me. Ask him to meet me, that is. But if I say, when he calls, ask him to meet me, I know he's going to call. You definitely call. So when he calls, ask him to meet me. See, that's it about the zero conditional. We'll look at the other conditionals in subsequent videos. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.